Hi, I'm Vianney from makingmoneysendemails.com. So, you want to promote affiliate product. That's the best way to start, in my opinion, because when you are starting, you need cash to pay the ads, and you cannot really take care of building a product, customer support. It will take too much time, and you can't really know if this product will be in demand. So my point is, you have to promote really useful product. Otherwise, you will burn your email list. So your email list will become basically unresponsive. So you need to promote product that people really need, and product will recurring subscription. Why? Because if you promote product with recurring subscription, you will not hand every single month with zero sales, starting every single month from scratch. But you will have customers either for life. And which products you can promote to have customers for life? The best one are services. Why? Because people, when they subscribe for, as an example, lead pages or ClickFunnels or an autoresponder, it's really unlikely that they will change it. Because when someone, as an example, I've been a customer of Active Campaign since years and years and years. Why? Because once you have an automation in place, it's a really pain to change it and doing everything from scratch. So think about this. You need to promote services like, for example, pages, an autoresponder, hosting, and whatever someone who wants to make money online, or your ideally customer in your niche really need. I'm in internet marketing industries because there are a lot of products to promote, a lot of services to promote, and an internet marketer really will. It's very likely that if you want to be an internet marketer, you will need more products, more services day by day. Once you get more sales, you need, for example, a CRM or whatever it is. So promoting services, promoting products with recurring commissions, and promoting really, really useful product. So you will have every single month more money, even to put in the ads. Okay. I'm not talking about like subscription membership sites where people only subscribe for 1 month and then they hand up, because the like membership sites are very hard to promote, because they will subscribe, and the second day, well, they would change their mind basically. So I'm talking about services. I'm talking about platforms. I'm talking about like even mentoring, but mentoring with constantly new products, with constantly new services to promote. Okay. So, and you have to know these products. You have to be your first subscriber. As an example, I'm promoting my autoresponder, the autoresponder I'm subscribed with, and other products that I constantly use. So you have to know your products in order to know which kind of objections, why people quit this. If of course, there's physiologically, organically, there will be customers who will quit, but you have to know why will they quit this product, and objections, and why people love it. And for doing this, you have to be your first customer. Okay, so let's go to see which products I recommend and I actively promote so you can copy it. So here, this is the first service that I promote.
This is Lead Pages, and it's a top notch for building landing pages, opt-in pages, and sales page, even home page. But it's more widely used for the opt-in page and the sales page. Hosting webinars, the landing page for the webinar, and whatever. You can see here there's a beautiful templates, and people who subscribe for it will likely stay with this service for long term. Okay, and it will come also with a free trial. So promoting it is very, very lucrative, because as you see, the standard plan comes with only $27 per month, but on someone is using it, it will likely upgrade to Pro and Advanced. Okay, and it's billed annually. You can even pay monthly, but the large majority will take it yearly. So it comes with unlimited landing pages, free hosting, mobile responsive site templates, and point is that the templates are also ordered by conversion. The highest converting templates on the top, and after you can see here. Okay, so this is very good, because everyone is using this service, is contributing to list which of these templates convert better. So you can benefit from other people's experience. There's a very most of the marketers basically use Lead Pages, and the very well-known figures in internet marketing industries who use Lead Pages, as you see. Okay, and promoting this will make you earning 10% of recurring purchase, recurring commissions, because it's a membership site. So it's a membership, it's a recurring commission website. So the network that will rely on is Impact. Okay, so you can sign up using Impact, and you will earn recurring commission using this. Okay, this is my account, and through it you can promote different products, different services like Lead Pages, Teachable, even other. There's a lot. The many services relies on Impact IO. So sorry. So here you can even build the website using Lead Pages. So it's a widely audience you can refer to for promoting Lead Pages. People who need to really build pages for author, career coach, who don't have time to learn coding, or you can even sell this product using Fiverr. So there are plenty of different types of people you can advertise this product and earning recurring commissions. As you see, this is my pages, and the other one you can earn recurring commission is ActiveCampaign. With ActiveCampaign is an autoresponder, the first autoresponder with automation, or at least the most famous one. Okay, and I have been a customer of ActiveCampaign since years, and I will never regret. Okay, it will start with a free trial with no credit card required. Okay, it's good for e-commerce, digital business, B2B companies, and as you see, as any other autoresponder, you will earn recurring commission. depending on which plan they will subscribe. As you see here, I'm going to see which plans. So as you see, the light, the light, the plus, professional, enterprise. Okay, of course, all these plans change their price according to the number of contacts. So it starts with 500 of contacts billed yearly. Okay, but they will likely change it once your contact will grow. And of course, if you are promoting it with to internet marketers or whatever kind of business, hopefully they will grow their base of contacts. Okay, so you see here, once you go further with your contact, the price increase and also your commission increase, and you will end up with promoting product that the customers really need. That's the main point of doing affiliate marketing in an ethic and sustainable way. Okay, as you see, and it's billed yearly, but you can also shift to monthly. Okay, so it's very likely that people are starting digital business that they will choose to pay monthly. So as you see here, this is all the features, of course. So you will have your landing pages, your referral link with cookies, and you will earn recurring commission promoting after campaign. The point is that it's very good that you will be your first customer. I mean, sign up with Active Campaign and try it in order to know the pros and the cons. Okay. Another service I promote is GreenJix. GreenJix is a free, is a environment friendly, eco-friendly hosting, and it's very cheap, as you see here, and it comes with a 30 days money back guarantee, no question asked. There are no hidden fees, and it's you can be proud to promote our environment friendly hosting. So it comes with WordPress hosting, WooCommerce, with virtual private servers. Of course, they have a lot of services, but you will promote the hosting, starting with the hosting. Okay, as they will upgrade the plan, you will earn recurring commission, and also they have SSD storage, and it's expert at 24/7 support, and it's very real. They will respond you very fast. They are very reliable. Never had any problems with them, and I've been their customer since years. Like Active Campaign, of course you go to affiliates and you sign up for being their affiliates. Of course, it's very good if you this is my affiliate Nick. Okay, you will for sale. Okay, and it's very good if you be your first customer and you'll be a GreenJix customer too, in order to know and to promote them better. Okay, so you will find all these links in the description. So if you want to sign up for these 3 services, I think starting with these 3 services is very good, because you will promote very ethical and very good services, and you will earn recurring commissions on services that customers really need.
So hi, let's get back here. So what you really learned, that the most important thing to succeed in affiliate marketing is having recurring commission from products that people really need, and these products are 90% services like an hosting, an autoresponder, landing pages, and so on, like lead pages and what I've shown before. So if you want to really make money online, you have to promote these affiliate products or products that your subscriber will thank you for having promoted to them. And if you really want to know how to do this using nothing but email, using your email list, click the link below, go to makemoneysandymails.com, the link in the description, which comes with a step-by-step coaching on how to make money online using email, how to set up your autoresponder, how to set up your landing pages, your opt-in pages, which products you have to choose to promote, how to promote them, how to use social media. It's an extensive step-by-step coaching with report, with checklist. So sign up, makemoneysandymails.com, read emails, click the link and get your free coaching.